click on the settings button at the top right of the screen. Then, on the product settings, click on the payments option. From the payment settings, tap on this payment methods option. On this page, you may scroll down and search for Pay by Bank. After that, on the Pay by Bank, click on it just one time and select the Enable button. There you go. Now your customer from Finland and the UK wouldn't need their credit card to pay for your product. Instead, they can use their bank account directly to purchase on your Stripe checkout page. This is one of my payment link with the pound sterling currency, and as you can see, my customer can use this Pay by Bank app option as one of the payment option and selecting their own bank details. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.